Hi guys, today I'm going to be trying some watercolor. I'm going to link the video I'm following down in the description. But before we get into that, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below saying I subscribed. And I'll try my very best to respond to all of you guys' comments. And now, let's get back into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is just do a light wash of blue all over the paper. Now I'm going to take a darker blue and start to paint in the mountains. And I do not have watercolor paint, I'm just diluting acrylic to where it acts like watercolor. I've wanted to learn watercolor paint for a very long time. I think it's so pretty, but I've always had problems with trying to learn it. I find that it just never looks the same when I try it, and it just always fights me. So I want to get better at it, so I'm going to be doing probably more of these from now on. Now I'm just going to darken up my paint with more blue, and then I'm going to go back in and make more mountains. Now I am making sure these layers are dry before moving on, and how I'm doing that is I'm using a blow dryer to actually dry it faster. And I didn't realize that these would dry that fast. I thought it would at least take 5 minutes, but I was actually able to move on pretty quickly with the blow dryer method. I was a little hesitant about posting this video. I actually wanted to scrap it, but I was like, you know what? Not all my projects come out the way I want them to, and obviously mine looks nothing like the video in the tutorial, but I did try my best. I think one of the biggest problems I had with it was she said to slowly, gradually adding green to when you get towards the last layers, and I did it a little too abruptly, and you can tell the transitions are very messy and sloppy, but that's okay. I'm trying. I'll get better with time. It's just I haven't done this a lot. I mainly work in acrylic, so dealing with something that you have less control over, I do have more problems with that. Now, here is where it started to be a little annoying. I started to add in the grass and the trees. No matter what, every tree I added just looked so sloppy and messy. I couldn't get the trees to mine. They were being very stubborn. So I decided just for fun to add a bird to try to add to it, because it's pretty boring without the bird. So, and I'm glad I did. I do like the bird, and I think it adds a little something, but overall, I'm not that proud of this piece. But it's a learning experience, so what can I say? So I started to remove the tape, and I was happy with the tape. It came out pretty clean, which I thought it would rip the paper off, but it actually didn't, so I was quite happy with that. Once I got done removing the tape, my painting is done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. And until next time, bye.